Доброго ранку. Good morning, guys. Today we in Chula Mexicano Italiano Restaurante. And today we need to fix it a lot of kilometers of gas pipe. The client has a tag A and we need to change it to 2-inch fittings and do the pressure test to close it a violation. Okay, we are started. We need to fix it triangle, and this is elbow. Hi, hello. Today we used Viega Pro Press Mega Press 40 kilonewton and Viega. First time we here 12, here 10, and we just saw it. Very big.
Dima, you are happy? I'm not sure, but yes.